DJI Mavic Mini, first sunset. Got that coming up next. Last night when I got home from work, Valerie remarked to me that we were having a wonderful sunset and you may want to think about getting your Mavic Mini up to record it. So, in short order, I put my bags down from work, went over, grabbed the Mavic Mini, my phone, the controller, and the landing pad, and got outside. And in less than 2 or 3 minutes, I was up in the air and I captured my first sunset with the DJI Mavic Mini. Let's take a look and see how that went. All in all, I was very impressed with the video from the DJI Mavic Mini. Question of the day. What did you think of my first sunset from the DJI Mavic Mini? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.